Ever wondered if that private crypto transaction is really private? In a world increasingly focused on digital footprints, the question of traceability hangs heavy over many cryptocurrencies. Today, we're diving deep into Beam, a privacy-centric cryptocurrency, to answer a burning question: can a Beam wallet be traced? For years, the promise of cryptocurrencies was anonymity. Bitcoin, for instance, was initially perceived as untraceable. But as blockchain analysis evolved, it became clear that public blockchains leave a trail. Every transaction, every address, every movement of funds is permanently recorded, allowing sophisticated tools to link transactions and potentially de-anonymize users. This is where privacy coins like Beam step in, aiming to offer a solution to this growing concern. Beam is built on the Mimblewimble protocol, a fascinating piece of cryptography designed specifically to enhance privacy and scalability. Unlike traditional blockchains, Mimblewimble doesn't record transaction amounts or participant addresses on the chain. Instead, it uses a concept called confidential transactions, where values are encrypted and only the participants in the transaction know the exact amounts. It also employs transaction cut-through, which essentially prunes historical transaction data, making the blockchain smaller and obscuring the flow of funds even further. Think of it like this: on a traditional blockchain, every transaction is a fully detailed receipt visible to everyone. On Beam, it's more like a sealed envelope that only the sender and receiver can open, and once the transaction is done, the envelope simply disappears from public view, leaving only a cryptographic proof that it occurred. To further bolster its privacy features, Beam incorporates the LLantis protocol. This adds another layer of anonymity by allowing users to break the link between their transaction history. It's like having multiple entry and exit points in a maze, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to follow your path. Beam also uses Dandelion++, a network-level privacy feature that helps obscure the origin of transactions by relaying them along a random path before broadcasting them to the wider network. This makes it much harder for observers to pinpoint where a transaction originated. So, back to our core question: can a Beam wallet be traced? Due to the fundamental design of Mimblewimble and Beam's additional privacy enhancements, directly tracing a Beam wallet and its transaction history on the blockchain is exceptionally difficult, if not practically impossible, for external observers. The blockchain itself does not store your wallet address, transaction amounts, or who sent what to whom. This information is confidential and known only to the parties involved in the transaction. However, it's crucial to understand a few nuances. While the blockchain itself offers robust privacy, the security of your Beam wallet also depends on how you use it and the environment it's in. If someone gains access to your device, they could potentially access your local wallet data, which does store your transaction history and addresses. This is why strong passwords, secure seed phrase storage, and general digital hygiene are paramount. Furthermore, while Beam aims for maximum privacy, there are specialized auditability features available. These are designed for businesses or individuals who need to be able to prove transactions to a third party, like an auditor, for compliance reasons. In such cases, a specific public key is generated for the auditor, allowing them to identify relevant transactions on the blockchain without compromising the privacy of other users or the overall network. This is an opt-in feature and doesn't diminish the privacy of standard Beam transactions. In essence, Beam takes significant strides to make its transactions and wallet activity highly confidential and difficult to trace. It's built from the ground up with privacy as a core principle, employing advanced cryptographic techniques to achieve this. While no system is absolutely impenetrable, Beam offers a far higher degree of financial privacy than most other cryptocurrencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.